Hey Brian, with the weather warming up this week, I was wondering if you could show me and the viewers how to take the top off of a Jeep Wrangler.
Sure, Matt. Let's go.
So Brian, we're outside the vehicle now. Do we need to do anything on the outside in order to take the top off?
Nothing other than open the doors.
All right, let's open those doors. All right, we got those doors open. What do you got for us?
Okay, Matt, this Jeep is equipped with a 3-piece hardtop with 2 options. You can take out the panels over top of the passenger driver and leave the rear on, or you can take it completely off. So taking the tops off just over the driver and the passenger is a pretty simple process. You have a clip here, and these 3 other clips you just undo, lift your panel, and remove.
Are they lightweight?
They are lightweight.
Now, another quick question I have is, should you start at one panel over the other, say
Absolutely.
the driver's side?
Absolutely. Always start on the driver's side, take the passenger side off. Vice versa. When you put it back on, do your passenger side first, and then your driver's side second.
So all you have to do for the passenger side is flip these notches here, and then lift it out? Wow, that's easy.
So if you choose just to take off the 2 panels over top the driver and the passenger, it comes equipped with this storage bag. You slide each panel in the bag, zip it up, and you can store it in the back of your Wrangler, and then you just have the opening over top the driver and the passenger.
So there's truly a lot of options, and that's really great for having that open air drive experience that only Jeep can truly offer.
So each Jeep comes equipped with the tools to remove the top and the doors. You'll have your ratchet and the adapters for taking out the top and to also take the doors off.
Okay, cool.
So as you go inside the Jeep, there's 6 bolts on each side that you will remove. Once those bolts are removed, once the bolts are removed, with the help of someone else, you slowly lift the top off, remove it, and secure it in a safe place, and then you're topless for that nice spring or summer ride.
Wow, that seems pretty easy.
Okay, we're placing the 3-piece top back over top the passenger side, and it's pretty simple. Be sure to line your top up. There's a little knob over here with an opening. You line your top up. Make sure that's in there. And slowly make sure all your clips are in. And again, hit the driver's side, and then you're ready to roll.
Now, Brian, just to reiterate, when you're putting the panels back on, you should start with the passenger side.
Yes.
And when you're taking them off, you should start with the driver's side.
Absolutely. And again, in the little tool packet, there are instructions attached in there to remove the door and the tops.
They've truly thought of it all. Thanks for showing us, Brian. As always, thanks for watching, and make sure if you have any questions to reach out to us at 410-822-2100. Visit us online at fredfrederickchryslerleasing.com, and happy driving.